A very good morning to everyone. Here, this is Jaya, and now we're going to discuss about the second chapter of biology of class 11, that is biological classification. So let's start from earlier classification system. Earlier, when civilization stabilized, the classification was done on the basis of uses, which was food, shelter, and clothes. But the first time scientific basis of classification was done by Aristotle. Aristotle, who is known as the father of biology and also the father of zoology. His basis was simple morphological character. He classified the living organisms into plants and animals. He further classified plants into herbs, herbs, and tree, and animals on the basis of RBC present or RBC absent. After Aristotle, a scientist, Carolus Linnaeus, he gave the two kingdom classification, in which his basis was either cell present or absent. Those organisms in which cell present, he put them all into the kingdom Plantae, and those in which cell absent, he put all them into the kingdom Animalia. But there are three demerits of two kingdom classification. First is he put unicellular and multicellular organisms together into the same kingdom, and second was he put all the prokaryotic and eukaryotic organism together into the same kingdom, that is kingdom Plantae. And the last was he also put the non-photosynthetic and photosynthetic organism together into the same kingdom, that is kingdom Plantae. That's why a need of three kingdom classification was born, and three kingdom classification was given by Ernst Haeckel. He took out all the unicellular organisms from the kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia and put them together into a separate kingdom, which he called kingdom Protista. And after him, scientist Copeland, he gave the four kingdom classification, in which he took out all the prokaryotic organisms from the kingdom Plantae and put them together into a same separate kingdom, that is kingdom Monera. And after Copeland, a scientist R.H. Whittaker, in 1969 gave the five kingdom classification. His basis was cell structure, body organization, mode of nutrition, reproduction, and also the phylogenetic relationship, means evolutionary relationship. And he took out all the non-photosynthetic organisms from the kingdom Plantae and put them together into a separate kingdom, which he called kingdom Fungi. So now we have five kingdom classification, that is kingdom Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. A point is here that kingdom Plantae and Animalia remain same in all the classification system. Okay, and this classification system has been changed over the time because because it is based on the improvement of in our understanding. And NCERT also mentioned the six kingdom classification, which is given by Carl Woese. He divided the kingdom Monera into two domain. First, which he called archaea, and second is bacteria, and remain four kingdom into the third domain, which he called eukarya. So that's it. It was an introduction about this chapter, and in next video we will discuss about the kingdom Monera. Thank you so much for watching.